going to factory restore this machine. Apple. System preference. System preference on top over here. And erase all content and setting. And type in my password. Click OK. Erase all content and settings. All Bluetooth accessories will be unpaired. So I'm using this. That's going to be unpaired. I use this. Going to be unpaired. I'm done. Now that should basically wipe my machine clean. It's spinning here. There we go. Whatever I loaded up, and I want it off because I made a mistake. And that is like that. 1 terabyte in a matter of a minute. When you do this machine here, it takes hours to format a machine. If I was to hit start, it's done just like that. It takes this long to load. Why would you want to reset a machine if you're selling it, returning it, or just want to clear up issues? I'm happy I know I could reset the machine that easy. 1, 2, 3. We're all done. Just like that. Apple comes on. And done. All set up. I want to turn the machine off. There's no way to turn it off but do a long press